Welcome back. Namaste. Once upon a time, in the northern part of Africa, one army officer was taking care of a refugee camp along with his unit. It was the month of June, hot summer afternoon. He felt a little hungry and took out a sandwich from his bag. He was about to have it when suddenly he noticed an old man nearby who was looking very weak and lean. He instantly went up to the old man and asked, "Sir, are you okay? Can I help you?" The old man turned around, smiled, and said, "Son, everything is fine. It's just that I've not had anything to eat for the last 3 days. So I'm feeling hungry and a little weak." Without the second thought, the army officer offered his own sandwich to the old man. The old man, with tears in his eyes, eagerly took the sandwich, blessed the army officer, and instantly divided the sandwich into two parts, offered one to the army officer before having his own. The army officer was amazed. He said, "Sir, I've been eating quite well for last so many days. I even had my breakfast today. But you have eaten nothing for the last 3 days, and still you offered half of it to me before having your own. Why?" The old man said, "Oh, is it so? I didn't realize it. Maybe in the last 84 years of my life, I've never eaten my food without sharing it with those who are around me first. So today also I didn't realize that I gave one half to you without having my own." Now, probably this old man had never been to any yoga class. He had never read any yogic scriptures, but he was a true yogi. He was a yogi in the real sense because he had yagya bhav, as we say in yoga. Yagya bhav, an attitude of sharing, an attitude of you before me, an attitude of giving selflessly without expecting anything in return. And when we have this attitude of yagya bhav, then whatever the situation might be, whether we are at home or we are in a refugee camp, whether we have enough money or we are short of money, we will always be content, we will always be happy, and we will always be at peace. When we get something that we like from someone, it gives pleasure to us, but this is not long lasting. And when we give selflessly, it gives us lasting happiness, peace of mind, no stress.